Okay, everyone, I finally made it over to Cotino. I waited for the smoke to clear, and I am absolutely sold. This is our first walkthrough video. There's our golf cart parking. This is the Casita out front, or a pool house, I guess you could call it. I'm going to show you that on the other side. Before we get started with the walkthrough video, here's a quick two-dimensional floor plan snapshot and the flyer. Pause it if you need more time. We're going to walk through it three-dimensional, but here's your two-dimensional floor plan, which I like to look at first. Then right away, a statement-making pivot entry door with minimalist horizontal glass inlays designed to balance privacy and light while reinforcing the home's modern architectural lines. And we're going to make it over to the living room and the focal point of the house, but let me just show you the powder room and laundry up front. So we stick to the flow of the floor plan. The garage is to the left, but that's locked. Cotino in Rancho Mirage is one of the most unique new communities in the Coachella Valley. It's a Storyliving by Disney development centered around a massive crystal lagoon with modern new construction homes, a private country club, and a walkable lifestyle. If you were looking for something beyond a traditional country club, Cotino offers a completely new way to live in the desert. The backyard and kitchen connect with this massive 5-pane glass rolling wall. The kitchen features include oversized quartz island with contrasting wood base, integrated bar seating, flat panel modern cabinetry, two-tone cabinet design, full height slab backsplash, built-in appliance wall, under cabinet lighting, designer glass globe pennant lighting, open sightlines to dining and great room, direct connection to outdoor living area. The vertical TV vibe was definitely a first for me. I think it looks incredibly good. I don't know which channels you'll plug into for that aspect ratio, but hopefully that is something that we see more often. It looks great. Here's the ping pong table, wood ping pong table with a bar behind it. I think we'll circle back to that later. I couldn't help myself but want to go to the backyard. So let's go take a look at the backyard. Backyard outdoor features. Resort style pool with clean rectangular design. Raised spa integrated into the pool layout. Sunken fire pit lounge. Covered patio, California room with the full shade structure. Outdoor dining space. Multiple seating zones. Large format tile hardscape. Minimalist desert landscaping. An awesome bocce ball court. There's also one in the community, but having one here in your backyard is great. It's the only sport you can play with a drink in your hand. And now I'm walking you over to the pool house Casita. So remember when we started the video, I pointed at the door and I said, I'm going to take you through the Casita/pool house. We're about to enter that now. Here's the dual pane glass entry, which is great for opening up the indoor or merging the indoor-outdoor. And even when it's closed up, it just provides so much more natural light, having a wall of window, and then your door is glass as well. So just a really well-lit Casita. Natural light is so talked about and popular because it just makes you feel good. Everything looks better. And it's a north-facing rolling wall in this Casita vibe, so even like you don't have to have the light directly pouring through the windows. Just having a wall of windows provides natural light to enter the home. And there's where we started the video today. Just wanted to show you that. So yeah, not a bad way to spend your time visiting your friends in this cool pool house, and what a view even the pool house gets. But one more incredibly awesome feature that almost went unnoticed for me, but luckily I looked at the floor plan, the 2D floor plan. Your pool guests have their own bathroom, which is great for the kids. You know, they're always having to run through the house to use the restroom when they're still dripping wet. So having this little pool bathroom I thought was just a cool added feature that you don't see very often, but makes so much sense. There's a lot of logic with this backyard. There's a lot of use, even though it's, you know, it's a larger backyard. There's no wasted space back there. They really did a good job. This entire floor plan, interior and exterior, really well done. I was so impressed today here in Cotino. I looked at 2 floor plans, and I couldn't get enough of this TV, the vertical TV. It looks great. It's like what I wished the TV looked like in my house. It just lines up better with the vertical lines of this house. So here's the primary bedroom adjacent to the backyard, and a really cool bathroom that we're going to walk through, and an excellent view of the pool as well. Your pool house and your primary share this excellent view of the pool and backyard. But a really cool, I think this is a car wash. They call this a car wash. It's in and out. But it just felt nice. It felt like a his and hers, like done right, where you'll see what I mean. Sometimes I don't need to talk, just let you look at the visuals and you'll see what I mean. But it's like you just hop in there and shower. There's no like you enter, like the whole thing's like open. It's wide open, and it just feels so good. They did such a good job. I'm excited to go back and look at the rest of the models here. But just rewatching the video is making me feel very excited to go back. What an excellent opportunity. We haven't even gotten started with the lifestyle yet. I'm just starting from the bottom, or not the bottom by any means, but I'm just starting with the floor plans, and then I obviously have studied the lifestyle on paper, but we'll be making videos about the lifestyle and clubhouse opportunity here at Cotino. Just getting started with this neighborhood. So here is going to be our 3rd bedroom, another guest bedroom, and you get your own little patio with the dual pane slider again. Definitely a smaller bedroom, but for most people, it's going to be offering what you need for a nice stay here in the desert. Okay, that's going to wrap up this walkthrough video of a model home here in Cotino, Rancho Mirage. Thanks for watching with me. Like I said, I'm very excited for my Cotino adventures. This is day 1, and I have one more walkthrough video that you'll see on my YouTube, but plenty more in the future. Sorry about these pillows. I fixed them, and then the wind blew them over. So see you soon.